everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to recreate this eye look, which works really well for downturned eyes, hooded eyes or partially hooded eyes, using the Revolution Forever Flawless eyeshadow palette. My name is Gail if you're new here, so without further ado, let's begin. I'm using this concealer for under my eyes to brighten them up and also as an eyeshadow base. Set eyes with powder so that your eyeshadow blends a lot more easily. Apply a shade a bit darker than your actual skin tone and apply it higher than your actual natural fold of your eyelid and blend upwards towards the brow bone. Next, apply a darker shade to the outer 2/3 of your eyes to give the illusion of lifted eyes. Try not to blend too low down below the natural fold of your outer lids, otherwise it'll drag your lids down. Following the natural shape of your eyebrows, fill in any sparse areas. Don't bring the eyebrow tail too far down, otherwise that will just simply drag your eyes down and ruin all the good work you've done with your eyeshadow. Same shade we used earlier, use a flat brush and apply to the outer 2/3. Going a little bit higher up, you can see that you're adding a lot of definition there and creating a bit more lift. Then blend with a fluffy blending brush. Then on the brow bone, apply a lighter shade. Again, that creates lift on the eyes. I honestly can't resist a bit of shimmer on the eyes, so I use my fingertips, then add just a lighter shade just to the inner corners. Draw a small flick onto the outer corner of the lids. It doesn't need to be neat because you're going to blend it out with a brush afterwards. And just line the outer 2/3 of your eye. This is optional, but I like to line as close to the lash line as possible. It doesn't need to be straight, it just needs to be very close to the lash line. Then finish off with a couple of coats of my new favourite mascara. Finish off with your lipstick. I like to put my lipstick on first, then shape lips using a lip pencil. It's much easier to define the shape. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching everybody. Have a great rest of the day. Take care. Bye for now.